I don't see a car, but I guess I'm good. Shit. Alright. Hold up, hold up. I'm gonna ID all these.
Copy.
Pussy detected. Yep, a lot of pussies up in that sucker. Takes one to know one. Fuck out of here.
Excellent shot.
They know we're here, gentlemen.
Oh god. Here we are, boys.
Come get some. Fuckers. Get the fuck out of here.
Missed one at our 60.
Car coming up our asshole.
Load faster.
There he goes.
Awesome. I shot it with the first shot and then I had to reload.
How the fuck we get in here with the, oh, that's how. Alright. Going in. Fuck out of here. Oh shit. We got a chopper coming up. Look at it, Aaron. This
Where?
place looks like it's clear.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Let the guys, don't blow up the alarm. Let them keep on coming. They want to fight. We'll give them a goddamn fight. Spotting up in 9 seconds. Don't shoot the alarm. Leave it up. Leave it up. We want them to keep coming. Okay, never mind.
Second helicopter's down.
Got them all marked. I'm going in. I'm going right into hell. Let's go. Right up the devil's asshole.
Easy peasy.
Ain't nothing but a thing. Nobody lives forever. Fuckers think
Oh, propane tank on fire.
that. Oh shit. They hiding behind the propane tank again.
Oh my god.
They're coming out. Got a chopper coming up behind us. Okay. Remember, don't kill this shithead.
Oh, all these rebels.
Yeah, I'm talking to him. It's not a torture op. It's a shame. Goddamn shame, but I can talk to you.
Welcome to the shit show, copy.
Hey, yeah, we're the guys that discharged the front of this base. Yeah, we're the ones that just saved your goddamn ass, you fucking pussies getting in prison. Oh, fuck, there's a guy here. He's shooting me while I'm talking. Please kill him. Dude, stop talking to me. It's like fucking combat going on, you dumb shit. Oh, this is Mario, the guy turning people into soup. This is Mario. Let's kill his ass. Mario's been turning people into soup. The plumbing wasn't paying the bills. He had to start murdering people, dude. It's him. It's him in this zone, guys. We gotta hunt his ass down.